This is the realavid gun tool Max. I've had this gun multi-tool for about 2 years now, and I've definitely put it to the test. Today I'm going to go over my likes, my dislikes, my overall opinion, and whether you should get this for your gun multi-tool. Let's start out with the pouch that it comes in. The pouch itself is nice and durable, and it holds 5 of the screwdriver bits for the gun multi-tool itself. It has MOLLE on the back, which is great if you're putting this on your duty gear or if you're taking it with you to the range. However, I have found that with the MOLLE on the back, if you're just trying to put it on your regular belt, that there's a lot of slop there and it moves around quite a bit. The screwdriver bits, they're held in there with elastic, and initially I was worried about them falling out, but that hasn't been an issue throughout the entirety of my ownership of this multi-tool. Now, let's open it up to the actual thing. First and foremost, this is a big boy. This thing is girthy, which makes it kind of awkward to use, but if you're using the hammer on it, then it does come in handy because you have some substance behind it. The screwdriver attachment is the main reason that I got this. It's super easy to use. You just hit this switch right here and you can open up to a 90, or you can hold it open to a full 180. I almost forgot my geometry for a second. 180 degrees. Now, the screwdriver bits, they're held in with a magnet. Initially, I was worried that the magnet wasn't strong enough, and on these smaller attachments, if you put it in there, it might fall out. But when you have the bigger end attached to the magnet, I could all day long and it's not coming out. So it's great, but if you want to use anything other than what bit you have in there, then you have to carry this pouch with you wherever you go because it has the rest of the bits. Now, as for the knife, it's basically as sharp as when I first got it. And that's because, like I said, this is big and it's really awkward to use. When you have it, when you open it and you put your hand on it, you've got this hook that is in the way of your grip, but also it feels weird. So usually I have my other knife on me and I use that one. This one, like I said, I don't get much use out of because it's just really awkward to use with this big of a multi-tool. But at least it's there if you need it. Now I'll show you these two together. Here we have a female adapter and a male adapter. It comes with a pin punch and a cleaning hook with the gun kit, but you can unscrew these and you can attach your gun cleaning tools to it if you really wanted to. But it's a great option there if you need it. And I use this for various things that it's not meant for, and it's great. Right next to our pin punch, we have our windage and elevation screwdriver, and attached to it we also have a bunch of different bolt sizes, so you have a nice little wrench. I've actually used that as well at work to fix a ballistic door, so that was fun. And then right next to the pin punch and your windage and elevation screwdriver, we got this guy. And I've never used it for anything, but it's got a bottle opener and that's a necessity, so that's just what your bottle opener is on. And last but not least, if we open this up, we have a nice pair of needle nose pliers, spring-loaded. I will say this is one area where the bulkiness of these pliers really comes in handy because you're able to get a nice solid hold on whatever it is that you're grasping, that you're pliering. But you're able to get a really good hold on whatever it is that you're trying to hold with the pliers and get some leverage on it. Now, if we go down to the base of the pliers, we have this carbide cutter right here. This is one area I was a little disappointed on because if you can see, there's some marring that is on both the front side and the back side of this guy after just cutting a wire that was a little bit too thick for what this gun multi-tool liked, but it did do the job. Overall, if you want a gun multi-tool to take with you to the range or put on your duty gear or for just regular at-home use, this is a great option for you. If you're looking for something to keep on your person wherever you go, I'd say look towards something else because, like I said, this is pretty bulky and the pouch itself doesn't sit well on a belt. But overall, for the price, it's a great option out there especially if you want something more versatile than your traditional Swiss Army knife. Hang on. Now, before you guys go, I want to remind you that we are still doing the Team Seas movement to get 30 million pounds of trash out of our world's oceans. At the time of recording this video, we are at just over 17.5 million pounds of trash removed from the ocean from the donations you guys have made to Team Seas. We have until January 1st, 2022 to reach 30 million. So don't forget to donate if you can. I know it's Christmas season, but let's give our world a present. All right, rant over. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices. Have a great day.